So my right click is broken for some odd reason.
What?
So we may have to rejoin the game.
Oh, Leo Chaos. Oh, it's his belly.
Yeah, so, yeah, so I think my right clicker is broken.
Yeah. Wait, it is?
It won't work. So, we're going to have some technical issues. Wow, thanks whoever made this mouse. HP, I'm coming after you.
I'm going to sue you.
Hey Bob, so I got this like wireless mouse, but there's like a hole in it. That's kind of like a USB
What
thing.
the heck is a hole?
It's like a USB thing.
No. Look at Amy Rose. She looks disgusting.
Bro, no spoilers! We're doing a video.
Oh shit.
So it looks like we have run into a technical problem
right here.
So that means we
Look, you should say shout out to my editor.
you literally are my editor. Everybody knows that.
Yes, shout out to me. Yeah. Man, person. And his manager.
Let's just launch.
Bro, let's do this lunch.
Yeah, sorry guys, but we're running into some technical issue. Yep, technical. Yeah, I don't think the flicky switch works, right? And maybe if I just...
This is 300.
Never mind. So,
This is 200. Okay, we need to do 3.
So we may have to...
Make it better. Make it a trail. Come on, give me... Wait, they upgraded... Oh my gosh.
Sorry guys, but we're going to have some technical issues because, well, my right click does not work. So anyways, we're just going to continue. I'm sorry for the delay. It was because my editor, it's a whole entire problem. But don't worry, there are going to be episodes probably, to be honest, I just gotta plan them out, anyway, right, editor, right?
Yeah, I'll edit it out for you.
I don't think, actually,
No,
maybe you can. I don't know if that's
Yeah,
your skill.
I could.
I don't know about your skill level, but probably.
I don't like high skill.
I don't know why I hired him as my editor. All I know is that he'd be my friend. Is that right, Bob?
Yes. You hired me as an editor.
Do not ask why, but I have to do some stuff. School is a thing. I've extremely I have lots of technical issues in my life. Do not ask why. It is a personal reason in my life. I don't really know else why, because why would you ask? My editor?
What?
Like, who would ask about all my technical issues?
Random people? I don't know. Random kids.
Yeah. Okay, we have some lag. That is okay.
Random kids that want to know the frame rate on the computer.
Or maybe some fans that want to know what is going to be my upload schedule. It's just the weekends.
I care what your upload schedule was. We uploaded schedule on.
To be honest, I do it. Can I show you the process of how I actually plan these out? Look. Usually, I have my editor here. He uploads, or, edits a video, the usual. Then, once he's done, I record a new video. Then he will edit it, and then it will upload, and then the cycle repeats until it's not the weekends, pretty much. I don't know about you, but that is my upload schedule. It's going to be the weekends and whenever I have free time. That's going to be the upload schedule.
Yeah, free time isn't a lot. You don't get free time a lot, people.
True. Look, I have school, okay? That's the thing, okay? And plus, I don't really know what else to say. So just, I don't know. Shoot. So I'm currently on this thing. My right click won't work, apparently. But I got cannons! I got a cannon. So I don't think we're going to survive. And that's mainly because, well, we just ain't. How that, viewers? You can't tell when am I going to survive. You can never tell.
I can duck it.
Come on! Dang it. That's my only one. I don't know about you, but I'm just gonna go with my bold head. Dang it. Well, guys, I guess we won't survive for that much. Plus, we're, like, extremely close. Like, wait. Well, right now we're on the second to last one to the end. So I guess I guess we have to make a sacrifice. Nah, just kidding. This is Roblox I'm talking about. Who needs that? Well, I mean, yeah, isn't editing... How do I say this?
Bro, it took 2 hours.
I'm not going to lie, I hate editing, you know?
Sheets that way you need. Bro, I wanna buy from people on Roblox for, like, edits and stuff, like... I wanna...
Okay, so now we're dead.
Wait, you want me to come in? I can if you want.
I accidentally did some to my new mouse.
What?
So one of the scrolling things on the side, they caved in. I don't know how else. And this was my brand new one.
Uh-oh.
Whatever. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's like this arrow thing. Bob, do you know what it does? What does it do? You know?
I don't know.
Wait, it still kind of works. It's just kind of coming out sometimes. You know?
I know what it does. I just don't.
Well, I guess that's the end, guys. So I guess see you next time, and like, comment, and subscribe. And well, goodbye.